Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Paltalk. You will go to settings as you see and you will click here. You will click on settings. Then we go to apps, default apps, app settings to search about Paltalk. You will search about it here like this and you will enter. Here we go to first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here you will click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us, bell icon, subscribe. See you next time.